Welcome to the best picks. The Best Dog Gates is probably one of the most sought-after pet products for pet owners who want to keep their furry friends safe and sound without causing any damage to their property. And today, we're diving deep into the world of no-drill dog gates, reviewing the top contenders on the market and helping you choose the perfect gate to match your needs and your dog's personality. Number 5. Safety First Easy Install Gate. This versatile gate helps create safe spaces for both children and pets. Remember, never use it at the top of stairs to prevent falls. Setting it up is a breeze. No tools are needed, it's pressure mounted for quick and easy installation anywhere in your home. The red to green indicator lets you know instantly if it's securely locked. This gives you peace of mind knowing your little one is safe. Open it easily with just one hand. The 2-action handle is designed to be tough for little fingers to open. It adjusts to fit various doorways, from 29 to 38 inches wide. It's perfect for creating safe zones throughout your house. The gate's width can be adjusted up to 32 inches with the main gate, up to 35 inches with one extension, and up to 38 inches with 2 extensions included. It's 28 inches tall. What we like? It boasts a quick, tool-free setup and a clever indicator that confirms secure locking. If you need a simple, safe gate that's easy to use with one hand, this is a great option. It's perfect for busy parents who need a hassle-free solution for keeping their little ones or pets safe. What people say. The pressure mount system is convenient and doesn't damage walls, but still holds firm even with regular use. The walk-through door swings easily and latches securely, which is especially helpful when your hands are full. It's also tall enough, 28 inches, to deter toddlers or small pets from trying to climb over. Installation was quick, no drilling required, and the pressure mounts didn't damage the walls. The gate itself feels solid and well built. The walk-through door swings smoothly and closes with a secure latch that clicks in place. The tension gates are made of metal and quite sturdy. My toddler pushed on it repeatedly with his entire body weight and it wouldn't move. Installation was easy and fast as the first gate took me 1 hour, the second one took me 30 minutes while the third one was done in 15 minutes. Additionally, no drilling and no special tools were required. 2 extensions came with the gate and are handy for different sized locations. The gate doors can open up in either direction, which is quite helpful. Number 4. Toddleroo Supergate Ergo Baby Gate. It offers 2 installation options, pressure mount for quick setup or hardware mount for a secure stair gate. It swings open for easy access, making life easier for you. This adjustable gate fits openings from 26 to 42 inches wide. It's perfect for doorways and hallways, providing versatile protection. With its ivory finish, it blends seamlessly into your home. It's durable, American-made plastic construction is sturdy and difficult for little ones to climb. It's 26 inches tall, making it difficult for toddlers to climb over. It securely blocks doorways, stairways, and other areas, providing worry-free safety. As a JPMA-certified product, it meets the highest safety and quality standards. It's designed for babies aged 6 to 24 months, providing peace of mind for the whole family. What we like? This gate offers both pressure and hardware mounting options for versatile placement. It adjusts to fit a wide range of openings. If you prioritize safety and quality, and want a gate that can be securely mounted, this American-made option is an excellent choice for your home. What people say. It is easy to release and open the lock, due to the larger handle that keeps your fingers from being scraped on the rest of this gate. The size for me is perfect for most doorways and hallways. As is the height. It is easy to install. The sturdiness is great, to prevent 6 large-sized dogs from knocking it down when installed. The lock works a lot better than some of my other gates that I have purchased in the past. This is very sturdy and fits great in my doorway. I love the fact that they mount on the wall with hinges so you can open them when not in use and don't have to constantly step over them or take them down. This is not a problem due to the hinges. Great product for the price. Number 3. BalanceFrom Easy Walk-Thru Gate. Introducing the BalanceFrom Easy Walk-Thru Gate, designed to keep your little ones safe and secure. It's perfect for doorways and stairways, providing peace of mind for parents. This gate features a strong alloy steel frame, adjustable to fit openings from 29.1 to 38.5 inches. It's built to withstand even the most enthusiastic toddlers and pets. With its auto-close and hold-open features, it's easy to navigate, even when carrying a child. The unique 3-step opening adds an extra layer of security. Use it in doorways, at the top or bottom of stairs, or in hallways, wherever you need a safe barrier. It adapts to your home's layout. BalanceFrom is committed to creating high-quality products at affordable prices. This gate is no exception. It's built to last and keep your family safe. This gate is designed for easy installation. The adjustable frame and simple design make setup a breeze. You'll have it installed in minutes. What we like? It features a convenient auto-close function and a sturdy steel frame. If you're looking for a durable gate with added convenience features, this is a top contender. It's ideal for those who want a hands-free experience and a gate that will last. What people say. Love the height. I have used it for my dog. Very sturdy. Best installed with 2 people. Looks nice. Width opening is good. So easy to install, with the extension, it fit great. Door swings both ways, clicks when closed, so you know it's secure, bars perfectly separated but not too far where my grandson can get stuck. After a long search, I found this gate on Amazon. It's superb and I must say good for your PAW when you need them to learn potty training and also during your home cleaning time. It's made of steel, very easy fixing, durable, and value for money. Number 2. BirdRock Home 3-Panel Pet Gate. This freestanding wooden gate keeps your pets safe while adding a touch of elegance to your home. It's perfect for doorways, hallways, or anywhere you need a pet barrier. Easily adjust it to a Z shape or fold it flat for storage. It's incredibly versatile and fits various spaces. When open, it's 60 inches wide, 0.75 inches deep, and 36 inches high. Folded, it's much more compact, measuring 20.5 inches wide and weighing only 22 pounds. Made from sturdy MDF with a beautiful finish, it's built to last and provides a reliable barrier for your furry friends. It's designed for wide openings, keeping your pet safely contained without cluttering your home. It looks great too. Setting it up is a breeze with clear instructions. Enjoy a convenient and stylish solution for pet containment. What we like? This stylish gate is freestanding and folds flat for easy storage. If you value space-saving design and a visually appealing option, this is a great pick. It's perfect for renters or those who need a portable and attractive pet barrier. What people say. This dog gate was just what I was looking for. It wasn't hard to put together at all. My Yorkies cannot get out because the latch keeps them in. The gate is very sturdy once installed so it doesn't swing. I bought 2 gates so I can make a small playground for them to have recess. That way them had room to run, so I expanded the size. This medium gate is perfect for small animals. Made very well, strong, heavy, and works perfectly. It is very attractive and sturdy, against the forces of evil. I no longer have sticks and pine cones drug into my living room. It's lightweight so it's easy to move around. You can move it out of the way easily when you need to get around it. Looks really nice. Made well, seems really sturdy. Shipping was very fast, and the gate came packaged nicely and undamaged. Number 1. Safety First Easy Install Baby Gate. It features a smart indicator that lets you know it's securely locked, giving you peace of mind. It's easy to remove when not needed, creating safe zones for your child or pet. It fits most doorways and works between rooms or at the stairs. This gate lifts and unlocks with one hand for easy access, but it's designed so little ones can't open it. It adjusts to fit openings 29 to 47 inches wide and 36 inches high. Wall cups are included for a secure installation. Perfect for kids or pets, it works in most doorways, between rooms, or at the bottom of the stairs. Never use at the top of stairs. What we like? It features a secure lock with a visual indicator and a one-handed opening mechanism. If you need a wide, secure gate that's easy to operate, this is a solid choice. It's suitable for larger openings and provides peace of mind with its secure locking system. What people say. They look a lot nicer than most baby gates. A little more decorative. I like they are higher. They are very sturdy. My 1-year-old tries to shake it and doesn't budge. It is taller than most and very sturdy. Installation was quite easy and I love the fact that it has a visual indicator regarding the tension. It has been up over a month and has required absolutely no adjustment. The gate is well packaged by the manufacturer and will take a little time to have all components accessible. This is not a negative as it facilitated my gate to be in perfect condition upon arrival. That being said, it still only took about 20 minutes to unpack and install. It truly is easy install as the product says. The installation is impressively solid. The pressure mounts are rubber covered and provided an excellent anti-slip surface for installation. As my installation was on a finished door jamb, I was concerned about the pressure mount staying in place while in use as well as potential damage to the finished surfaces. My concerns were unfounded as the rubber on the pressure mount created a zero slip and cushioned well enough so as not to damage my finished jamb. Another big plus is the gate opening width. The 22 Walk-Thru is a comfortable opening as opposed to what seems to be the industry standard of 18. The finish is well done. It is dark brown in color and appears to be a baked-on enamel or powder coat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.